Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the navigation bar to swipe from sides and bottom on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the home key. From here, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on displayed. Then we swipe up to go down. And in here, we're going to tap on navigation bar. Next, select swipe gestures and then tap on the more options button. In here, you want to tap on swipe from sides and bottom. So this will allow you to swipe up at the bottom as well as on the side to go back. So here, if I swipe up like that, this will allow me to go back to my home screen. If I swipe up and hold, this will allow me to bring up my recent menu. Now if I go in here and swipe across like this will allow me to move back to the previous screen. So this is the swipe from sides and bottom. Or you could use swipe from bottom, which will show 3 different bars at the bottom here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.